Alright y'all, checking in. We got a Freightliner Cascadia. This is probably like a year 2014 model. Somewhere around it, 2019 actually, that's what it is. We worked on this truck before, it's been a while. Today though, guys, we have a water leak going on here. So since we're going to have to drain this coolant, he's been driving, so this coolant is kind of hot. We're going to have to be very exercise cautious when draining this thing. It's nice and warm, but I don't know if you guys can see looking there. Probably right here. It's a good shot. Well, I know you had it right. You can see it is dripping. That water pump's dripping. Can't really focus for some reason. It's your camera. But yeah, that water pump's dripping. How you do that? It's still not focusing. Okay, yep. Got that drip going. So that's the water pump leaking, y'all. So we gotta get this thing swapped out. First thing first, let's drain this coolant. Get this thing draining. Guys, essentially, so we got this coolant draining. I wanted to show you guys this water pump. I got the pulley off and off already. This is like the water pump itself. If you look, guys, it's got a lot of play there. Let me try to focus again. See if I can get it to show you guys what it's doing. See that? That's what we got going on here. That should not be moving like that. That's the signs of a failed water pump, guys, or failing water pump. Shouldn't be able to move it like that, having that much play in there. So that lets me know the bearings inside are worn out. So that's essentially why we're replacing this thing. So, yep, got a few more bolts and we'll have this thing out of here in just a moment. There's still a whole lot of coolant in there. Gotta be patient. Still a lot of coolant in there.
Back to the slow drip.
Yep. Still a lot. Alright, so we're gonna unbolt this thing. Alright, we got one more bolt. Holding this puppy in. Almost, the last one. We're gonna pry it on up out of here, y'all. Like it's ready to come out. Did I get all the bolts up? Let me make sure. I want to say that's all. It's hard to see from this side. Back up just a little bit. Let me stick my head in there. Oh, we got one. We got another one. All right, let's try it again.
The suspense is killing me.
It's loose. It's loose. Almost like it's still something else holding it. I want to make sure. We don't want to break it. It's a core on this. So,
How much for the core?
It's like $300. Definitely feel like there's still a bolt in here. I don't feel one though. So I just gotta keep prying on it.
You need the other part though?
Which one are you thinking about?
The hook one.
me get my magnifying glass. Make sure I'm not missing anything.
Magnifying glass?
My mirror. Oh no, my mirror's falling
That's bad
apart.
luck, it just broke.
Shut up. This bad luck stuff. But I need another mirror for sure. That's all the bolts. They should come out. It's just stuck on there with the glue, I guess. Let me get a screwdriver. Put in this gap here. Broke the seal. So I'll put that pan in there. Prepare for it. Can you save it all?
That's a lot.
Yep, it's hot too. See the steam coming off this thing.
I mean, it is 80-some degrees out.
Right. Still steam. There it is. So who's coming? That's who's after y'all. Tell yeah. It's been rubbing a little bit. You see a little shiny metal. It's been scraping some. There's a bearing inside there. It's gone bad. Causes it to kind of teeter and then messes up the seal. Makes it leak. So that's the old one. We're gonna take this thing up.
Do they
Get swapped out
repurpose?
for a new one. Yeah, they rebuild them. It's a seal in here. We'll make sure we get a new seal. But show them inside, see what it looks like with the water pump out. That seal is in there good.
At least it's not sorry glue.
Hmm? Open, we're gonna lose a lot more, but it's even still wet here. We still gotta add a few more gallons. So you wanna go ahead and start it up?